Hello from Lectric Land. I know after owning this bike and researching them for about 6 months prior that some folks have been having quite an experience trying to fit the rubber cover back into the portal for the charging port. So I've actually come up with a way that works for me almost every time, and it's really quite simple. As folks that own the bike know that there's the rubber plug is tethered to a piece of plastic there, and actually if that tether wasn't there, it'd actually be much easier to put the cover back on. Or if you'd even had a little bit of a longer tether. But of course, if you take the tether off, then you run the risk of losing the cover. But what I found, most folks, when they are trying to get that plug back in, they're just trying to push it on, and maybe one time out of 10 they get lucky and it fits in there. But and I see a lot of folks that don't even cover them. I see a lot of photos with it just running loose like that. But what I found is what it takes is a very, very light touch to get that in there. And what you're really trying to do is not fit it into the hole plug into the hole, but what you're trying to do is fit the charging pin on the battery into the small hole. So it's really just a matter. So what I do is I use these two fingers and just with a very, very light touch, and the lighter the better really, I position it so that it's almost vertical coming in, and as you're doing that, you can actually feel that pin touch that small hole, and then it's just a matter of pushing it in and you're done. So for those of you that may be having trouble, I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.